In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Squarespace Accordion Block. If you use accordions to organize FAQs, product details, or dense information, a little customization can make a big difference in clarity and style. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what each setting does, so you feel confident making changes that fit your site. First, open your website in Squarespace and head to Pages. From there, navigate to the specific page where your accordion block appears. This is important because edits to the accordion happen right on the page where the block lives, so you'll see your changes in context with the rest of your layout. Once you're on that page, click Edit at the top left. This switches the page into editing mode, which lets you interact with blocks and settings directly. You'll notice your blocks become selectable, and your page will be ready for on-the-spot adjustments. Now, double-click the accordion block itself. This opens the accordion editor. Inside this panel, you can edit the contents of each accordion item. Update the headings to be clear and concise, then refine the body text to provide just enough detail without overwhelming your visitors. If you need more sections, add more items right here. Keeping each item focused on a single topic helps readers find what they need quickly. When your content looks the way you want, switch over to the Design tab within the accordion editor. This is where you customize the visual style. Adjust the font styles to align with your site's typography, making sure headings are readable and distinct from the body text. Tweak the sizes so your titles stand out and your paragraphs remain easy to scan on both desktop and mobile. If your layout needs visual separation, enable or refine dividers to create clean boundaries between items. You can also choose the icons that appear next to each accordion title. A simple plus and minus, arrows, or chevrons can subtly influence how users understand the interaction. Explore the other design customizations available here as well, such as spacing and emphasis, to strike the right balance between aesthetics and usability. As you make adjustments, keep an eye on how the accordion blends with your overall page styling. Consistent fonts, spacing, and iconography help your accordion feel like a seamless part of your design. And that's all there is to it. By editing your accordion's content and dialing in the design settings, you'll present information more clearly and keep your page clean and engaging.